Viewers, welcome to ICT. Today I'll discuss about how to stop any promotional email. What is more disturbing to us? So let's move on how to stop that email service. Viewers, as I said earlier that to stop the promotional email, you have to first log in your email services. After login, you will get this page. Here primary, social, promotions, updates and forms, where we are expecting only primary email what is required for us normally, but we already became annoyed for social and promotional email mainly. So I'll show how to stop that email. Like free logo service, if you want to stop the service to give you email, just open it and you can see this is the subject and this is the email ID where from you have got that email, and beside this unsubscribe, and you can get this button down also here, unsubscribe here. If you press unsubscribe here, you'll get a link. Just press on unsubscribe. This is the confirmation list. The email address has been removed from this mail list. And another information is, if you want to delete all the email of this ID, then copy it and paste to search bar and press enter. All the mail which is sent from this ID, just select here. It will be select all and press on delete. Just click on delete button, all deleted, and it's deposited to trash and mark all and delete forever, all deleted from your email inbox. Except this, you can get another option to avoid that message, like I'll stop the mega. Okay, you can see this is the mega.ns ID notifications. Just go to more option and you can see block mega. If you click on this, then it will be blocked. Just this is the confirmation. If you click on block, then it will be blocked from your email service. So this is the way where you can block or you can avoid from that third party's mail. And this is the ad from Google. You don't have any rights to stop them. You can just preparation cross update in the same way. Ola, you can unsubscribe. No need to press stop. You can delete all the messages from Ola, copy the mail ID and paste to search bar and press enter. Only one message here, delete, and go to trash box, select delete forever. This is the way to stop the third party's email. Yes, that's all for stopping the third party's email. Thank you very much for watching this video. And the information is that if you did not subscribe my channel, please subscribe and you can press the bell icon for next video.